This is going to be slightly longer video because instead of playing against a human player, we're going to play against the computer. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of player 2 input, because that basically means we're waiting for a human to type in rock, paper, scissors for player 2. So we're going to get rid of it. I'm going to go right to the top and I'm going to type in import random, and we're going to use this in a minute. And then what we want to do is player 2 choice, and I'm going to use equals square brackets, and they get to choose whether or not they're going to have rock, paper, or scissors. So that is rock, paper, or scissors. So that's for player 2, the computer. So what I've done is I've added import random, I've added a player 2 choice, and I deleted the player 2 input. The final thing what we need to do, so it hasn't actually been that long, is we want the player 2 to pick a random rock, paper, or scissors. So it's going to be at random. So we're going to call it player 2 random equals random dot choice, and in curly brackets player 2 choice. And I'll explain what's going on right now. This import random at the top is very important. It allows the computer to pick a random word from here. So we've got player 2 choice, and this is our list of different choices. And it's called player 2 choice. So we're saying pick a random word from player 2 choice, which is this. And we're going to store it in player 2 random. And now what I need to do is change all these player 2s to player 2 random, which will be the random rock, paper, or scissors. So now we're doing it so we're playing against the computer rather than another human player. Okay, so if we were to run our game right now, rock. Remember, it's only one input this time, it's just player 1. So if I type in rock again, yay, I won. It'll be good to see what the computer chose. So what I'm going to do is print, I'm going to put in speech marks, the computer chose player 2 random. So I'm putting that after every result. Well, actually, what we could do is put it, I suppose, at the end. So watch. I'll go right down. Instead of having to repeat myself, I can just do it directly underneath this if. So if I run it now, rock, and the computer chose scissors. Rock, the computer chose scissors. Happy days. So what I've just added was this print, the computer chose player 2 random, and I put it directly in line with that if. So you can see this line running down, it's directly in line. It's not there, it's not there, it's here. And that is how to play against a computer.